Hey, so this video is just a quick check-in with you to make sure that you're still achieving your goals for the year. Whatever those goals are and whatever time we have left in the year as you're watching this, there's still time to make massive moves in your favor to move your music forward this year. So what I want to do is do a quick check-in. Here's the questions that I want you to answer and write it down if that's helpful, or just think about it, let these questions marinate in your brain to make sure that you're still moving towards the right goals for you for this year. So the first question is, what did you set out to do? What was your goal at the beginning of the year, or whenever you set your goal? What was your goal that you wanted to achieve? Was it getting 10,000 monthly listeners on Spotify? Was it to cross that 100,000 stream threshold for a song? Was that just get 1,000 streams for your song so you could actually get past that Spotify 1,000 stream barrier to get paid for your music? What was it at the beginning of this period that you were trying to achieve? And then the second thing I want you to do is think about, am I still on track? Am I still on track towards that goal? Say I wanted to get 1 million streams in the next 12 months. Am I still on track to get that 1 million streams? And then the third thing is, are you still committed to that goal? Do you still think that it's the right goal for you? And if you are still committed to that goal, you still think that that's the right goal for you, what actions do you need to take to change your trajectory? Because if you're not on track, you probably need to change what you're doing every single day to get to that goal. Because so often we get just really distracted. We're watching YouTube videos like this one that pump us up and get us excited and motivated, but then tomorrow comes and we're less motivated. Or maybe we stay motivated for a week or two, but then we just fall off because we aren't consistent. We either don't desire our goal enough, or we don't have a big enough stick behind us that's poking us to be able to move forward. Right? What are we running away from that's going to generate energy to move towards our goal? For myself, that is often what sparks action for myself. If I'm struggling to achieve a goal, I generally have to think about, what pain am I trying to avoid in order to move towards the goal? Because I'm not motivated necessarily by desire. In the past, I thought I was. The only times I actually took action was when I was trying to run away from something that was painful. Do you get just a burning sensation whenever you think about when your family asks you about your music, knowing that you don't have any results? Like, that is actually great motivation to use. Lean into it. Understand, I have a fear of when people ask me about my music. Now I can use that energy to actually move my music forward. It's probably not what most people think, especially in music. Not what most people tell you to do. They say, just think about your beautiful life after you're a famous musician, and it's all lovely. But it's not really motivating. And it might motivate you for a day or two, but honestly, for me, that never worked. And so if you're more like me and you need to remain consistent, obviously, there's incredible tools out there like Stick.com. I'm not sponsored by them, but they're a great tool to be able to consistently move towards your goals and do the actions every single day or every single week that you need to take in order to move towards those goals. The 3 questions you should be asking yourself right now is, what did you set out to do? Are you still on track? And then, are you still committed towards that goal? The bonus question is, if you're not on track, but you're still committed, what do you need to change today to move towards that goal? And what do you need to commit to today to achieve that goal? And then, in addition, what's your motivation to get there? Is that going to be the desire to reach the result? Or is it really like you just want to stop sucking and you want to have more than 5 monthly listeners on Spotify? And if you're finally fed up with just no traction with your music in the industry on Spotify, then check out the video right below. It's linked in the description to show you exactly how me and my team at Night Owl Music Group are able to get people 100,000 streams on their very first release working with us. So if you want to find out how we do that, then go ahead and click the link right below this video to learn how we get at least 100,000 streams on every single release that we work on. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.